Hey guys, I wanted to pop on here and tell you about something that we've put together that I am really and truly very excited about. On July 8th, I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite finishes, and that's how to work with milk paint. A lot of people don't know, but that I worked in a bodega in Florence, Italy, and I had the opportunity to be able to learn the processes, the products, what everything had to be used, and in what combinations to create incredibly authentic finishes. Now, do I love chalk paint finishes? Absolutely. I love using all kinds of waxes. I love being able to teach you how to create those. But if you want to know my absolute favorite, it's milk paint. All of our milk paints we get from quarries. We actually get our pigments from Provence, from the south of France. There's nothing synthetic in them. The whole process that we've put together as far as step by step, how to make them cracked, how to be able to make them have a textured finish, I have put in this kit, and I'm going to be teaching you on July 8th. The fun thing about it is this kit is like a Christmas box for people that love to do finishes. It's got everything in it that you're going to need. You're going to open it up. We'll have a letter inside. It's going to say, here's some additional items that you need, maybe from your kitchen, like a measuring cup or a spoon. But then everything else is going to be included. I promise, it's just like Christmas. Here's the other thing that I've done. I've wanted to make sure that you had 3 different pieces of trim. It's decorative trim, so it looks more like furniture. This is something that I used for years when I was building my furniture finishing business. It was important for me to have finishes that I could show my designers or my end users, my clients, what that finish was going to look like. So I am teaching you on this that you can add and use as a portfolio later. But we'll be doing a light base color, a medium value color, and then a really dark color, because I want you to be able to see how they all look different. I want to be able to show you how to be able to crack the finish. I want you to understand the idiosyncrasies of milk paint and why it's one of my absolute favorites. Also, I'm going to take you through how to be able to do your antiquing, your waxing, how to use antiquing glaze, dust of ages, how to use the cracked gesso. What is it? What does it do? How can we interchange and do multi-layers of our milk paints? So I'm going to be going over all of this in this course. And the great thing about it is you can have your kit, you can be in your kitchen, have your laptop right there, and join the hundreds of other students on July 8th. And if you're out of town, if you're thinking, oh my gosh, I would love this. This is exactly what I've needed for so long. Don't worry about it. It's going to be recorded and it will be yours. So you'll be able to watch it again and again and again. Part of what I love is teaching. I love inspiring my students to learn and build their skills and raise their level of connoisseurship to a point that 1, you enjoy the bragging rights yourself, but 2, it may become, because it's your passion, it may become a business for you. And I want you to learn and understand these finishes where they are very concrete skills that you can turn around after doing this course and then paint a piece of furniture and put it in your home and be incredibly proud of it. Who knows? You may even decide to turn around and sell it. So join me July 8th. I want you to click below. You'll get a link and you can order your kit and everything will be in it. And then I'll see you back on July 8th. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.